Hi everybody, it's Janine over at SLOHappyVintage, and I did a thing. It's my birthday month, and so I decided to splurge on a couple of things for education and furthering my jewelry adventure. I bought Ann Pittman's book on Juliana. I just got it in the mail, and I had been borrowing a friend's for quite some time, and I really just wanted my own copy, so I'm going to open it up and show you what's inside. For those of you who are not aware, Ann Pittman wrote a book on Juliana jewelry, which has come to be the best resource for identifying Juliana jewelry or D&E jewelry that there is. This book is a reprint. The original one came out several years ago, and if you try to find the original one on the internet for sale, it's commanding prices of around $400 and then some. Anne actually got to meet Mr. DeLiza and coordinated with him to write this book, and I absolutely love it. She signed it, Brilliance Within, Ann Pittman. It is just an absolutely gorgeous book with history and full color pictures. So beautiful. If anybody is seriously interested in collecting Juliana jewelry, I highly recommend this book. This and the Is It Juliana jewelry website are pretty much the only sources we have for truly identifying what is and is not Juliana. And I appreciate the fact that this book was made in conjunction with or in coordinating with the actual manufacturer. So full color book, gorgeously laid out. It does have price values on it. I'm not sure how accurate the price values are in any of these books because, of course, price is very subjective, but highly recommend this book. And then somebody on her Facebook group also made a really great index to the book for quick reference. You can find that on the Juliana Jewelry Group Facebook page. And oh, so gorgeous. Highly recommend this book. I'm very excited to have it, a copy of my own. And I think that's all I wanted to say today. That is probably the shortest video you're going to get from me. Love this new book. Thank you so much, Anne, for putting it together. I forgot to mention that if you wanted to get your own copy of this book, you can contact Anne directly. She has self-published this book. It's limited in quantity, so I would highly recommend contacting her for a copy. I will put her Facebook group name in the description so you can contact her. I also just wanted to pop in and say I am loving reading all your comments on how you got into collecting jewelry and why you collect vintage jewelry. Keep those coming. Keep the guesses on the numbers 1 through 100 coming, and I look forward to doing the drawing for the jewelry that I have picked out. All right, have a great day, and I will see you in the next one.